Queensland, Australia, October 9, 2024.
What the fucking hell?
Severe thunderstorms cause localized flash flooding on the Gold Coast, as massive hail falls in parts of southeast Queensland. An emergency centre has been set up on the Gold Coast after 100 millimetres fell at Mudgeraba in 6 hours. The State Emergency Service has received 29 calls for help, and Hardies and Old Coach Roads is underwater. It's the second day in a row storms have pummeled Queensland's southeast, causing localized flash flooding and blanketing roads in hail. At Morayfield in Moreton Bay, the ceiling of a martial arts centre caved in under heavy rain. Most residents said the hailstorm in Morayfield was the rarest thing they had ever seen. Even though its size is not large, its intensity is so great that it makes the streets and yards seem to be covered in snow.
Right, that one in the sunny's on.
On social media, the business said it would be closed to assess the damage. Severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued for South Burnett and Gympie, with cells likely to produce large hail, damaging winds and heavy rain. Bureau of Meteorology senior forecaster Phelim Hanafai said weather conditions were easing for the Gold Coast and Brisbane, and on track to improve further overnight.
I haven't seen one! Oh no, Michael and the kids!
I can't even shut the fucking door.
The intensity of the rainfall has eased in comparison to what it was an hour or two ago, and as we go into the evening, we see that activity gradually start to contract northward over the southeast, he said. Even during the morning, there may still be some lingering patchy showers around, but that should contract off the coast during the morning period tomorrow. He said the Gold Coast had borne the brunt of the rain this afternoon, with 86 millimetres recorded in 1 hour at Mudgeraba. Meteorologists said, the thunderstorm activity and potential for heavy rain was tracking towards the Sunshine Coast tonight. He said the coastal trough may linger near the Sunshine Coast into the morning, which could bring the risk of locally moderate falls. Large hail pelted parts of the Western Downs and Maranoa region, with 7-centimetre hail reported north of Injune. Hail-blanketed dirt roads became snowfields in Kogan, west of Dalby. Hayden Lee, who was driving through just after the storm hit, said up to 10 kilometers of the road was covered in hail up to the size of a golf ball. Thunderstorms are forecast to continue on Thursday with severe thunderstorms possible for central and northeastern Queensland, according to BUM.